Hello my friends, we just finished our famous 4 days workshop on organizational structure or Orgboard, and we've done a great job because now several more companies here in the United States, in New York, they have better organizational structure and they know how to implement it and they know how to improve their management system by this organizational structure. So I invite you on the next one, and next one workshop will be on 26th of February. And I hope I will see you there. And if you feel like your management approach really stops your growth, if you feel like you are overwhelmed, overloaded as a business owner, as a manager, this particular workshop is for you, because as the result you will see a way how to handle all this situation, how to delegate operational management, and how to start to produce your natural product of you as a business owner, how to run your company and expand it. So see you on the workshop.